Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't yet, please take a moment and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to remove darkened spots on the Giannini stovetop espresso makers. In the boiler, darkened spots can appear. It is not rust, but a result of traces left behind from the water. It's a very easy process to remove those darkened spots. All you need is plain white vinegar and water. It will be equal parts. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to revive the shine on the entire Giannini stovetop. Over years of use or even months, the Giannini stovetop can alter in color, but it can be revived and you can bring that shine back again with a pot and equal parts of plain white vinegar and water. Every Giannini stovetop is accompanied by an instruction booklet. You can flip to the maintenance section and you can review section 6 towards the bottom that covers the explanation of the darkened spots on Giannini stovetop espresso makers. Dark markings can appear within the base of a Giannini stovetop espresso maker. The stovetops are made of stainless steel and these markings are not rust. These markings are a result of substances and traces left behind from water after boiling. These markings can be orange, brown, or a dark brown, almost black color. They can appear on the base of the boiler or along the walls of the boiler. They can be single dots, an accumulation of dots, or long lines. We're going to put 1 part water and 1 part plain white vinegar into the base of the boiler, so 50-50 equal parts. We're going to let that sit for 30 seconds. Now that I've scrubbed it with the water and vinegar, I'm going to go ahead and thoroughly rinse it with plain water, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry it. As you can see, the dark marking has been removed, and this process can be used when needed on the Giannini stovetop espresso makers. Next, I'm going to show you how to revive the shine on the entire Giannini stovetop. I have a medium-sized pot here filled halfway with water. I'm going to put another half part of white vinegar. Then we're going to unassemble our Giannini stovetop. It's important to remove the blue washer. You can use a little knife to help you pull it out. We're going to include the top half without any of the filter pieces, so you don't need to include these. We're going to take the reducer out. You don't need to include that. We're going to take the funnel out as well. Hold that aside. I'm going to put both components into my medium-sized pot. I'm going to bring it over to the stove. Once the pot comes up to a boil, let it boil for 2 minutes, then simply take the items very carefully using a pair of tongs out onto a tray to cool. We're going to give it a quick, simple rinse with just regular water. We're going to go ahead, thoroughly dry the inside. After you've gone ahead and dried your Giannini stovetop, go ahead and reassemble it. We have our funnel reducer back in place. The filter and the blue gasket are back in place. Always store your Giannini completely dry. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com.